name's Ed, I'm a member of the team at Joyce Design. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a floor graphic. Today I'm using a 3M substrate which we've already printed on top of. There's a 3M anti-slip laminate on top of there as well. In our opinion, the 3M product always outperforms its competitors. When applying floor graphics, it's really important to clean the floor first thoroughly. Hoover any areas first, and then today we're actually working on a tiled surface. So we're going to use a surface prep cleaner. Goes without saying, always read the manufacturer's instructions before applying a cleaner to any surface. So we're now going to move on to applying the floor graphic. The floor's lovely and clean, sparkling in fact. I'm going to take my graphic and put it in position. In this instance, I'm just lining up the graphic with the corner of the edges of the tiles to make sure I've got it in the centre. I'm then going to take some 3M masking tape and create a hinge across the graphic from one side to the other. This holds the graphic in position, and it also gives us a neat little trick for fitting the graphic. I will lift the graphic up, peel back half of the paper backing, then using either a snitty or a blade, whatever you've got, we'll cut off that excess paper. I'm then going to take what's left of the graphic, I'm going to lay that down, and then using a squeegee, apply from one side to the other, pushing the air out from underneath the graphic, working my way down slowly where there is just adhesive left on the backing. So now I'm going to apply the top half of the graphic. Firstly, we're going to remove that piece of masking tape that we placed on the graphic earlier. Then we're going to peel the graphic back and remove the other half of the backing paper. Place the graphic back down where you picked it up from. And then repeating as we did before, working the squeegee the opposite direction, going up the graphic, applying the rest of the graphic to the floor. Nice firm and even strokes. Then once finished, I'd just make sure your edges are down nice and firmly, working the squeegee round. This just ensures that the graphic is nice and long lasting and the edges don't fail. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you need any more information, or you need to know any more about our products and services, please visit joycedesign.co.uk.